In the AMOS output also you can get test of uh, mediation, but the significance will not, it does not report the Sobel test significance. It will report only the, so if you go to estimates, you will get matrices. So the total effect. So the total effect of leadership on procedural is 0.547. Let us go to the indirect effect, direct effects, standardized direct effects, and then the indirect effect. So we have computed this. The indirect effect of leadership on creative behavior is 0.054. And standardized indirect effect is 0.081, right? So this is what we have computed. But the significance, it will not tell. In order to test the significance of the indirect effects, okay, and any kind of indirect effect, not just this one, if you have serial mediation where you have two mediators in between, okay, in that case, what you should do is you should go to bootstrapping algorithm, okay, and bootstrapping is also used for testing non-normality of the data. Okay, so bootstrapping method is a method that is recommended for analyzing non-normality of the data. Bootstrapping method is recommended to test mediations also. Okay, so what you should do is go to analysis properties and then go to bootstrap. And usually we should keep bootstrap as 5,000 here. Okay, 5,000 samples. And then you should report bias corrected confidence interval. And we usually report 95% confidence interval. Okay, and then you go to, these are the two things that you should key in here. Okay, and by default it is bootstrap maximum likelihood, and then output, that is all. Then go to calculate estimates. So now it will run your model for 5,000 samples and give you bootstrapping result, and it has given us the result here. Let us look at the result. So we get the model fit that will anyways not change. Now you will see that there is a new output which talks about estimates. So when we go to the estimates of our model, you open this thing up, and then when you click on matrices, you look at indirect effects. Indirect effects. Okay, so this is your indirect effect 0.054, and then go to bootstrap confidence. Bootstrap confidence. So the lower limit of the bootstrap confidence, lower bound is 0.01, and the upper bound is 0.10, right? So 0 does not lie. So the 95% bootstrap confidence interval for the indirect effect ranges from 0.01 to 0.101, which shows that your indirect effect is significant. Similarly, you can look at the standardized indirect effect that ranges from 0.014 to 0.147, which again shows, because 0 does not lie in this interval, okay, your confidence interval reports that your uh, indirect effect, standardized indirect effect is significant using the 95% bootstrap confidence interval, right? So this is the kind of,
Once more.